Good afternoon, December 24th, Christmas Eve for the year 2019. Losers become winners. XLV drops back to 67% on the profit meter, but it still maintains the possibility of retiring a dead loss leader to the, let's go look at that chart, the winner's circle. Now it's tight, granted. We're at 262 and we need to get 422 plus. Here's something else also. That's what it owes, and we have to get the new pay for contract. We have only one contract, so we need to clear 443.35. We clear 443.5. If it breaks even, the bottom line is we get back our 242, and life goes off the losers to the winner's circle, and this drops down to 64. That's the whole purpose of these videos, is to show you that losers will become winners. All right, that completes that. Did we have any exits? No, we had no exits here, so there's nothing to talk about there. So we do have to move up. Let's look at that. I almost did a novice mistake. I talk about the data, but I failed to do what? Move the stop. Extremely important. So we have a new lower low. Now we have to calculate to see if this gets turned up to go higher. So the low comes in at 102.73. I'm going to be looking for 102.60. It's 102.55. So we're going to come here, change this to 60. We're now going to come to our trade journal, on chart trade journal, change the date and change it to 60. Now it's 5 cents, I granted, but that might make the difference between reaching the 243 to get out of the retire the lost leader to the winner's circle. Go ahead and highlight that, copy, okay it, and then right click to change your order ticket. Come down, change your order ticket. This is very extremely important. I said yesterday, I have made my own mistakes. Some of my fellow traders make the same mistake. We move this and then we think, oh, the trade. No, you got to go through the order ticket to do it. Confirm, drop in the notes. Now it's gone. Now we're at 102.60. Good. So we'll see what happens on the on Thursday. Remember, today the 24th is a half trading day. The major traders who make major decisions are not in town. The junior traders are on the trading desk, watching the monitors, watching the other junior traders, what they're doing, and then they have a operations manual of doing something if something happens. If nothing happens, they quietly, 11 o'clock rolls around in New York City, they head for the subway, they head for the cars, whatever, they're gone. And you're not going to see those guys back until Thursday morning. All right, that said, now let's go on to our other profit leader, and that's going to be Save. Save's a little disappointing because it was up 14%, but it is what it is. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer, and we'll have to wait for the text to pop up. I don't know why we are having such a slow data feed from Thinkorswim, but it will populate eventually, please. So while we're looking at this, we are in profit zone, so that means that somewhere in here we'll be looking for the out. This does not count yet. This is a dipper. High, low, high. I need a high on Thursday. So the close of Thursday, I got to have a higher low. Understand the word. A higher, the adjective, low, the noun. This is the low. I need it to be here. And then I can then move the stop to there. All right, so while we're still waiting for this to happen, there isn't much to say, but wait for this to happen. It's like, oh, well, so frustrating. But it doesn't matter because the other two guys are behind. So Chevron and XLY are not in the leader zone. So we're not going to even bother with them. show your worth. Okay, so let's take a little pause here until this data pops in, so we can wrap this up quickly. Okay, we got our notes. We got our notes. Great. So we are in profit zone, and we are here. And I believe probably I already made this change. Let's take a look. My value line, my black value line is 30, comes out to 39.65. I did. I've already made the change. Let's confirm the order ticket. Yeah, it's done. So that's all we can do. And as I said before, we're waiting for the text to pop in. We need a higher adjective, low noun. A higher low, giving us a dipper. And remember, this trade idea is not mine. It comes from day traders. So if you want to be a day trader, you're going to have to master this. There's also set up how you get into a trade. I don't cover day trading, so that's it. Well, that's it for the Alpha League. Let's go over now to the Tigers and see what they got for us. Okay, real funny. Coca-Cola and USO are just battling for the profit zone. And we're going to go to USO. And USO is right here. Let's zoom in a little closer. And let's see, in USO's Tigers 444. And we are in profit zone. That means that we are looking at, we are here at 1250 based off this low. This low here came in at 12.62. I do my buffer trade and it comes out to 1250. Now I have a new low here. The new low comes in at 1256. My new calculation would make it below my 1250. This is the learning point, people. Learning. Exits do not retreat. Let's write that in here. Exits do not retreat. Boom. So if this low comes down here, I don't recalculate it. I'm here. I only will go up. And that's the whole intent. So that's really it. Sorry, there's not much there to talk about. The alphas are still holding on the lead. We are looking at any exit on here on XLV. This is also like a baseball. Any out will do. I said that before. Any out will do, because why? We're going to get out with we got out with a profit above the 242. This life will then get sent to the winner's circle, and that's it. So thank you guys all for coming. I wish you all a happy and warm Christmas. Enjoy, drink your eggnog. And that's about all we can do until we come now. I am going to do a Christmas special. The Christmas special is going to be talking about penny stock trades and my past experience. There is some stuff there. So let's look forward to that for tomorrow. Catch you all later. Thank you. Bye-bye.